Hello, in this video we intend to verify and authenticate the account we opened in the World Forex broker. We log into the user section, and in the verification section we had already verified the phone number in the registration video. For identity verification, we complete the corresponding option.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
To upload a document for identity verification, you can use an ID card, passport, or driving license, and you must upload valid documents. The documents should be valid and have an expiration date. To upload, select the Upload option. Also, to upload and verify your address, you need to use a document such as utility bills like gas, water, electricity, or telephone bills. You can also use a copy of the passport registration page if you have such a document, and a bank statement is also acceptable. Or other documents that include your name, address, and issue date, which must be from within the last 90 days at most. For the issue date of this document, select the Upload option. Also, if you intend to use a Visa or MasterCard for account top-ups, you must provide the relevant section of your Visa or MasterCard. At this stage, upload your card verification and enter information such as the card number, expiration date, and so on. Fill in the relevant details and select the Save option. Select the I'm not a robot option, and after that, click Send. Once we've uploaded the documents, as you can see, it is indicated here that our submission has been sent and we will receive a response from the broker via email. Keep in mind that identity verification is a documented process to confirm the customer's identity. Completing this process is not mandatory, but if you do complete it, you'll be able to use all the company's services without any restrictions, make transactions, receive bonuses, and participate in competitions and special offers. Also, some deposit and withdrawal methods are not available for accounts that have not been verified. The identity verification process consists of several steps, and you cannot proceed to the next step without completing the previous one. This is the information that the broker has provided here regarding verification. They have received the documents. They will check them within a week or two on the site, and they will notify us of the result via a notification inside the client area.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.